What are you doing?
Thought you took your eyebrows off.
You thought I took it off?
What did you do?
I covered it.
You look so scary. Why would you do that?
It's a video.
It's a horror movie.
Hello guys, welcome back to my channel. Today I have this very creepy reverse upside down look. I got this idea from NikkieTutorials. I'll put her video linked down below, and she states in her video who the original creators are, which I believe are Trevor and Nicole on Instagram, and those will be also linked down below. So without further ado, if you want to find out how I achieved this look, then please just keep on watching. Okay, so I'm going to take this jumbo glue stick and glue my eyebrow up. Alright, so after that I'm going to put some airspun powder on top. Then I'm just going to brush the excess off. And now I'm just going to put some foundation on top of it with a sponge. I already put foundation everywhere else because, to be honest, this is my 4th time doing this and I did not want to keep removing the foundation. So this is the MAC Studio Sculpt in NC40. Alright, now that I've got that covered, I'm going to go ahead and do this eye real quick. I did do my eyebrow off camera. So I'm going to go ahead and put my Tarte Shape Tape down as my base. Now I'm going to go in with the yellowish orangey shade in the Jaclyn Hill palette with my Morphe M441 brush. Next, I'm going to take my Morphe M433 brush and take this color Whimsy in the Tarte Tartist palette. Okay, so that kind of made the yellow disappear. So what I'm going to do, it also looks brown in person, and in the palette it looks burnt orange. So I'm going to take another brush and pick up the yellow again. And the last shade I'm going to use is the Champagne shade from the Jaclyn Hill palette. Alright. Now I'm just going to go in with some liner. This is the e.l.f. liner. I'm not going to do anything too dramatic so that I can replicate it on the other side, upside down. Now I'm just going to use my lash glue, the Kiss Clear Strip Lash Adhesive. with my Ardell Double Up lashes. And some concealer. This is a Tarte Shape Tape in the shade Light Sand. Now I'm just going to put some yellow and that brownish color on my lower lash line. So first thing I'm going to do is try to draw on the eyebrow. Starts about right here. I'm just going to lightly fill this in. Alright, now I'm just going to carve my eyebrow out like I normally would. I'm going to put down my eyeshadow base. So I'm going to do the same thing. I'm going to take that orangey yellow shade from my Jaclyn Hill palette and put it in where my crease would be. Alright, so after I do that, I'm going to go in with that burnt orange shade from this palette. Put it right under that color. Okay, so now I'm going to attempt to do my winged liner. And now I'm going to try to put on my lash upside down. Now I did not realize before I started this that you do need two of the same lashes when you put it upside down. So this is a different lash. This is the MAC A36 lash. It's way more dramatic. But my other lash that I had was not dramatic enough, so I thought this would work the best. Alright, now I'm just gonna line my waterline. Off camera because this is too hard, and I'll be right back. Now I'm just gonna add the colors that I put to my lower lash line onto my other lower lash line. Okay, so this is how it's looking. Next, I'm just gonna go ahead and do my bronzer. I don't know why I'm holding two mirrors, but Okay, now I'm just going to put on some highlighter. Alright, we just have the lips and we'll be done. So this is the Maybelline Moisture Whip in the shade Toast. This is one of my favorite lip liners. Now I'm going to go in with the Kylie Cosmetics Matte Liquid Lipstick in Bare. And the last thing I'm going to do is use this Sephora Gel Gloss Ultra Brilliant Ultra Shine Lip Gel in the shade Perfect Nude. Whoops. Alright, you guys, this is the final look. I hope I stood up to Nikkie's standards. Please let me know if there's anything I can improve on. I do have dark eyebrows and very thick eyebrows, so it's kind of hard to cover that up with powder and just light concealer and all of that stuff. But I think I did pretty good overall. Hope you guys enjoyed this look. Please give it a thumbs up if you did, and don't forget to comment and subscribe. Be sure to follow all my social medias at selina.hamden. I will have them all linked down below. Thank you guys so much for watching, and I'll see you in my next video. Bye!